If you want to know how can you make an app like WhatsApp in Kodular, today in this video I'll walk you through the first steps you need to go through to make that happen. So follow carefully with me and let's jump right into it. First, you open your browser, of course, and go to kodular.io, create your account, and then tap on Create App. Now zoom in right here and tap on Create Project, and then go ahead and name your project. Tap on Next, and from here go ahead and give your name for the app. I'm going to name it WhatsApp. Right under it, choose the theme. I'm going to choose the dog theme, and then give your package a name. You can even choose colors right under these, starting from the primary to the secondary colors. Since we're making the WhatsApp app, I'm going to choose the green color for WhatsApp. Once you're done, you can tap on Finish right here. So tap on Finish, it will take you to the screen. Tap on this little arrow right here to get your display of the app that you're making. Now you get a lot of features from the left side and the right side. You can even change more colors right here. And as you can see here, we have a lot of things that you can do. You can add more screens. Let's start for the first one. Since we are going to do the first steps only, you can tap on these colors right here to set up the WhatsApp colors to make it look very similar. Now, I hope you have got a little idea on how can you start your projects here. If you want to know the next steps in a longer video, it's not going to be very long. You're going to have more information. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to always export your project to not lose the process. So once you do that, I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future video or continuous video for this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.